What motivated me to do the EFT training is that I had been copying YouTube and just doing it for my own general well-being, and it worked, and it eliminated anxiety that I was walking around with for about 15 years, and it was amazing, the feeling. What has surprised me about the training is the fact that everybody is so lovely. In particular, Tamara and Peter, I think that they are not normal. They're like super people. They've got this intuition just in the way that they teach the modules. It just feels so organic. It feels so right for the group. There's this real sense of Peter and Tamara tuning into the group, and I just felt so supported. I felt so held. I felt that I could trust them, which enabled me to just basically just reveal everything, because I felt so trusted and so secure and safe in their knowledge and their wisdom and their empathy, and the words, just everything that they said just reassured, was comforting constantly. And I think that that's the biggest impact that's had on me, is that the love and the support and the empathy that's come from Tamara and Peter, and then it's permeated the whole group, and now we're just like a big family, and it's just amazing. And it's all come from Tamara and Peter, and I just love them for it. I have had a few aha moments, in particular with regards to my relationship with my son. Prior to coming on the EFT training course, I was like, oh God, when will he change? When will he learn? But now, after attending the EFT training, I realised that I have a part to play. And through EFT, in a gentle way for me to recognise the areas where I'm the problem, but it's so gentle, it's so beautiful, that I don't feel ashamed, I don't feel guilty, I feel loved, I feel supported, I feel held. And it's enabled me to go deeper and deeper in my tapping and in understanding myself with my son. And where I've acknowledged that, I can see that it's having an impact, and it's changing my son in an organic way without me having to speak. I would say to somebody who is wanting to come on this workshop, if you are willing to be open to yourself and trust Tamara, trust Peter, and you're willing to do the work, and you're just going there with no preconceived ideas, but just trusting their professionalism, trusting their intuitivity, trusting the reviews that you hear about this EFT power-packed couple. If you follow your own intuition, you've got it. You're going to be on top of your world. You're going to be the best you could ever be. And trust me, I know from experience, because I am the best that I've ever been. I'm lighter, my energy flow is better, I'm happier, I'm at peace, and I've got more tools to help me continue with that peace and happiness and good vibration.